The flower seed selection from Ferry Morse at Walmart is so huge this year. It's amazing. I'll show you row by row all the different flowers that are available here, and there are just too many to even go specifically into each one. It is incredible to see cactus seeds. I've never seen those before. But there's your usual, your carnations, your columbines, your delphiniums. We've got some English daisies, some foxgloves, which are excellent for winter sowing, hollyhocks, which also work really well with winter sowing, and there's different varieties as well. And you also got Johnny Jump Ups and lupins, which are great for winter sowing, some maiden pink, some ornamental grass, painted daisies, echinacea, and salvia, which I've never seen other than mail order for salvias. We've got some forget-me-nots, some 4 o'clocks, something I cannot pronounce, but look at this. They've got gourds this year, and these are the birdhouse gourds and just other varieties. That's pretty amazing. And the selection of marigolds is huge. There are just so many to pick from. But I think my favorite is definitely this white one, which I will be taking home with me. This morning glory is so stunning with that white edging. It just looks gorgeous. And they have another wide variety of morning glories as well, just so many to choose from. And I love that they have just singular colors of a lot of different flowers as opposed to just mixes. And just look at this selection of cosmos. There are so many to choose from. And again, they have added several of them that are just one color and not just the mixes. And even within the mixes, it's a really nice little palette of just like pinks and purples and maroons that really match each other. So I think the selection is amazing this year. And they have several different dahlias to choose from. And definitely one of my favorites is this little pom-pom one. I did not take it home with me, but it's really interesting. And yet more morning glories to choose from. So interesting that they added the scarlet runner bean as one of the flowers. It is actually a bean and it is edible. There's an enormous selection of sunflowers and different colors, some beautiful reds as well, which usually I don't see many of those. But yeah, that you can choose from so many different yellows and lighter yellows, some branching types, absolutely looking beautiful. The sweet pea selection looks really amazing as well. There's so many different colors to choose from, and a lot of them are just single colors too, which is something I am finding interesting that I've never really seen. I've always only seen mixes, so it's nice to see those singular colors. Another flower that they have a huge selection for is zinnias. And again, they have not just the mixes, but also those singular colors. And the other thing that I saw was there was three different types in here that are those smaller zinnias that would work really great for containers. I've worked with a Thumbelina before, but there were two other ones in here, and those are so cute, and I think I would want to try them in another year. I just have way too many zinnias this year, so I don't have room to add more of them, of those little petite types. I also wanted to take you through some of the decor that they have at my Walmart. And this gnome is super cute with that little flower above him. And yeah, there was just so many things to choose from, so I'll let you just enjoy watching all the different things they have available. And I may have missed a few, but here was the one section that had a lot of the different decor. This room reminds me of North Lawn Flower Farm, since she loves hummingbirds, because I believe it resembles her grandma. So this one would be perfect for her.